Welcome to Traders Cafe. Let's start with the Nifty 50 Index. The bottom right is the monthly chart. The price is currently trading within the last year's high and low. Ideally, I would like to see price trading above the previous year's high, which is considered as a bullish signal. See how the price has found resistance at the 2024's high, which was formed in the month of September. Above the monthly is the weekly chart. Price is currently above both the 50 and 200 period simple moving average, which is bullish. It is also close to the 50 period SMA, which might act as dynamic area of support. On the left side is the daily chart. Price is below the 50 period and the 200 period SMA. That's technically bearish. For me to build new long positions on Nifty 50, the weekly and daily chart must be in sync. By sync, I mean that the price must be trading above the 50 period and 200 period SMA on both time frames and not close to a higher time frame resistance level. I would like to see a breakout and a close above the high of 26,373 before I take any new long trades here. Until that happens, I would prefer to stand aside on Nifty. Use the same analysis on your favorite instrument and post your comments. That's it, folks. Until next week, stay safe.